I'm doing my laundry right now, and it just dawned on me that I've never done a video to show you guys what I use for my detergent. So I use this stuff called Simix. We have like a family member that owns a restaurant. They use this, and it meets all of the standards in the restaurant industry as well as a cleaner. So it's non-toxic, free from all of the harmful chemicals that you'll otherwise find in conventional store-bought brands. It's a combination of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So I use it in my laundry. You do have to use it with warm water as a detergent, so make sure that whatever you're washing, it does need to be able to be used in warm water. I also put it in my dishwasher, and then I put it in my carpet cleaner as well. So you can clean various surfaces around your home. You can actually use that on your hardwoods as well. It does have a higher pH level, so just make sure that you dilute it down if it needs to be like a pH neutral. Various surfaces, you can clean toilets with it. It does have a technology, it's called spot on technology, and it's where if you put it on a surface, the indoor light will reflect off the surface and basically not allow bacteria to grow on that surface after you're cleaning it for up to 12 hours. So 24 hours. So it breaks down germs and bacteria, viruses, mold, floor grime. So this stuff is great. So if you're looking for an alternative store-bought brands that is toxic free, check this stuff out. You can go directly to their website. It's Simix, or I have a few of their products linked in my Amazon favorites as well.